Oh, you want it?
Trying to get it? Trying to get it?
It's for you. It's for you. There's nothing else to do with it.
Trying to get it?
Perfect girl.
Get it,
Oh,
Parker.
perfect girl.
Get it, Parker.
Look at her chin now. You remember how creased it's always been?
Yeah.
It's not as much.
Getting some definition.
I'm getting some fat to fill in there.
Yeah, that's what we meant, but Daddy's trying to be a little more polite about it. Look at these chunker monkey thighs.
Are you a chunker monkey? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who's got you?
Oh, that'd be my milkmaid. That'd be my milkmaid.
Hey, sweet girl.
Just checking you out.
Yeah. Hey. Hey.
Parker, are you gonna have a mullet?
Yeah, a red mullet.
That'll be cool.
Yeah, a red mullet.
That's gonna be cool.
Oops.
Hey, guess what? We ain't eating again right now. We just ate 30 minutes ago. If that.
Hey, Parker, pee. Show you. Parker, listen. Parker, listen. Parker, no. No, stop. Listen. 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 Listen.
What? What do you want me to listen to?
Should we go get Mama some birthday present?
Did you make it?
Yeah. Did you make it at school today?
Alright. It'll be
Okay.
my favorite one.
Going on the fridge.